Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you're going with me to get my brows laminated and tweezed and to look all slicky sexy again. I destroyed the shape of my brows when I tried to DIY carve it with razor. It was horrible. So yeah, I want to get it laminated, and getting it laminated is basically like applying relaxer on your brows. Like it gets to sleek down, and like you now do not have to do too much. Like, so if you're all for them feathery brows, I think I'll attach a picture to show you what like a properly laminated brows look like. So if you're here to just see how to reduce the darkness, I'm going to put the timestamp in the description bar below if you want to see it, because the brows, I ended up loving it, but the problem was just that it was too dark for my face. Like normally when I do brows, I try to make it light brown, very light, but this one was too dark, or the lady let it stay on for too long. Anyways, enjoy the rest of this video. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video. Like, I can't even begin to explain what I believe is wrong with these brows. First of all, I think they are too big and too dark. But from the clip previously, I already loved them when they were like at this size. You get, because it was not this bold. Okay, it's actually kind of cleaning up, like. But like this, I hate it so much. Like, it doesn't even fit me at all. Like, first of all, the kind of person I am that type of person that I like to go for the most natural things, the most, let me try without it looking and trying, the most unobvious person. And what are these brows to that kind of person? First of all, let's leave a moment to appreciate how my skin is glowing. Okay, skincare routine on 100, by the way, but I have to do something about these brows, like something so serious. So I went to watch a YouTube, and this has nothing to do with the what they did, because literally they restored the shape of my brows, but I should have not tinted. Like, I've actually felt like tinting was part of the process until I got to the counter and they're like, oh, your money is so, and I'm like, no, my money should be so. They were like, oh, you tinted your brows, and I'm like, this thing that I hate so much, I did. like, I've been trying to trust professionals. Like when they say, oh, I think you should tint, against my better judgment, I've been trying nowadays to listen, and every time I listen it ends up being bad. Like I did hype. Let's not digress. I'm going to wipe this off using toothpaste, so hopefully I'll come back to you and it's good. So I'm using Colgate because after extensively going through the comment section, I think somebody asked somebody that said it worked for her what she used, and she said she kept it on for about 10 minutes. Colgate. So because I did not even want any funny stories, I'm going to keep it on too. But apparently you can keep him for more. So another person was like, she just kept it on till it started burning. So I'm just going to keep it on and go and watch an episode of Friends, so that my mind will not be here. Then I will just come and wipe it all off. I hope you come back and I meet you with good news. Okay, so this is after I just said let me check this one and look at the difference. God, I just said let me just check and know if it is ready before I clean up this other one, and it is so ready that I am just using wet wipes to clean it. I don't like that this is still there though. Look at the difference. Come on, babe. Yes, Akira, babe. Oh my gosh. Ooh. See how so this evening I'll just wash my face, like do my normal skincare routine, and just, you know, okay, those are for the brow lamination. They actually said we should not wash our face for 24 hours. Like, I don't know why they had to now make it extra fat. I'm sure I'm done with that one. I'm done with all of those ones, but that one is behind me now, and it's not my problem anymore. Anyways, this is how to correct your brows at home, guys. Bye.